Hey, it's Rick. I'm back with another fast and fabulous 4-step video. Today we're going to make a baby card. We're going to be focusing on our pattern paper, which is the Winnie the Pooh baby 6x6 paper pad from Echo Park. I subscribed to the kit, the card making kit, last month, and it just arrived earlier this week. So this is the paper pad that was featured. In that kit, you also get an exclusive stamp set. Basically, it's a mashup of the 3 stamp sets they have out for this collection. You also got the frames and tag dies.
Step number 1.
I purchased the ephemera, the enamel dots to go with it. And in the kit, you got 3 card bases this time. So we're going to use one of those card bases for our card.
Moving on to step 2, we choose our background.
We're also going to use one of the frames. We're going to use that little tag right here. And we're going to pick out our pattern paper because our pattern paper is going to be our focal point. So we're going to pick out our background. Our pattern paper is going to be our focal point. And I really liked this plaid here, so we're going to use that. And we're also going to use this yellow piece right beside it. That way we know they coordinate. And we are going to cut down our pattern paper for our Fast and Fabulous card today. We're going to cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4. Then we're also going to take this, our second little piece right here, and we're going to cut it down to 2 inches. I'm going to cut that down 2 by 4. All right, we have our background paper cut, so we're going to go ahead and attach this to our card base as part of step 1. We're going to line that up, give it just a 1/8 of an inch margin all the way around. Then our little 2-inch strip, we're going to take and attach this on the bottom third of our card front. And we're going to use that plaid pattern as a
Step 3,
line
stamping.
to help us line that up. All right, just like that. So there is our card base complete. So let's... All right, for step 2 is our stamping. We're going to stamp our sentiment. We're going to stamp in VersaFine Claire Nocturne ink. I'm sorry, not Nocturne, the Onyx black ink, same thing. We're going to stamp our sweet bundle of joy on our little tag over here. So we're going to go ahead and stamp that. And then I've went ahead and put the building blocks that spell out baby on a larger block. So I'm going to go ahead and ink that up with our VersaFine ink. And we will stamp that down. Just like that. I did stamp them a little further apart so that we can cut them out. I'm going to go ahead and cover this with clear embossing powder since I am going to fussy cut. And because I don't feel like waiting for it. All right, as part of our sentiment, we're going to trim around this. We're just going to give it a little trim right around the edge.
Step number 4, assembly and finishing touches.
I will finish. I'm going to trim these out, and I will be right back. Okay, I went ahead and I cut those out, and I went ahead and put them up on foam adhesive as well. We're going to go ahead and add our baby to our card. So I'm going to peel off the foam backing. We're going to start with our A. I'm using my T-square to try to line everything up. I actually have one of the new T-squares, the 0 T-squares coming from Pair Blossom Press. If you haven't seen that, they're really cool. They are 0 T-squares, and they have the edge where it gives you the perfect margin on, it's like a 1/2 inch margin and a 3/8 inch margin, I believe. I'll let you know more when I get it. All right, we're going to take our little tag here, and we're going to put this down here. This is moving on to step 3, which is our stamping and our embellishments. So we're going to, for our embellishments, we're going to add some burlap twine to our little tag here, and I should have done that before I stuck it down. We're just going to loop it in there and pull it through, because we're going to tie a little bow. And sometimes tying that bow is easier if it's secured. There's our little bow. We can adjust that a little bit more. And our last finishing touch is our enamel dots. That's step 4. This time we're going to use the orange. We're going to add 3 at the top. Around the sentiment. And 2 at the bottom left. So here is the card I made before we got started. I wanted to make a version of it so you could see that. There is our Fast and Fabulous baby card using pattern paper as our main element. Here's a closer look at the card. If you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up over there. I will see you over there shortly. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.